Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to set up the Metasploitable2 virtual machine. We have already downloaded it, and if you have not done that, watch the video on downloading tools again and then make sure you download it. The first thing we are going to do is to extract the Metasploitable2 that we downloaded. Open it, extract it to any location of my choice. You also extract it to any location of your choice. While it is extracting, we are going to our VirtualBox and then start creating our VM, which is the virtual machine. So, as usual, click on the new button, and here we are going to call it Metasploitable2. The type for this is Linux. Click next. Metasploitable2 is pre-compiled, so you don't have to follow the steps that you took while setting up and installing Kali Linux. Click next. Select use an existing virtual hard disk file. This is the option you are choosing for Metasploitable2 because it has already been compiled. Click on this. Click on add and then locate where you extracted it to. This is what we are selecting. Make sure you have this blue file there. Select it, click choose, click next, and click finish. Now we have attached our Metasploitable2 file. What we have to do is to click start so the installation can commence. We'll give it a few minutes or so for it to load up and then the installation will start. Metasploitable2, since everything has been pre-compiled, you don't have to do anything. It just goes on, loads, and then it takes you to where you enter your login details. So let's give it some time to run. The installation is done, and here are your login details. You will see log in with MSF admin as your username and MSF admin as your password to get started. We are typing MSF admin, hit enter, and then MSF admin as the password. Metasploitable2 is a command line interface, so while typing your password you are not going to see it display. Now it shows no email. This means that we are successfully logged in, and I can go on to perform some activities, some tasks. You see, we are getting responses and all of those. So this means that we have successfully installed our Metasploitable2. So guys, take your time, go through this. If you have any questions, let me know. Watch it over and over again and make sure you arrive at this result. And I will see you in the next video.